Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to check owner of any particular domain. So you want to check who owns a domain. So open any browser, then type uk.godaddy.com slash and who is. So type this URL and enter domain name which you want to check owner of that particular domain. Then click on search. So you will find all information about this domain, who is owner and how to contact who is owner and which is registrar company, and also you can check registrar registration expiration date. So like this you can check owner of any domain. Hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.